This is the first opening for Bucky's Toys and Collectibles. First pack coming from the left side here. See a red, probably a hollow foil, I don't know. Future Icon, Zach Chuck, 327 out of 399. That's good. Zachary Bolduc, Freshman Focus Blue, Red Pagantree, Brad Marchand, Ethan Cardwell Future Watch. Thought it was Celebrini for a second. Peter Mrazek and Kirill Marchenko. Second pack here. Looking for Lane Hudson, Macklin Selvini, Mitchkov, Will Smith, any of those guys. Another Future Watch. This one isn't signed, but it is a numbered Future Watch. Isaiah George. I didn't know they did that. Matthew Barzell, Theo Sorkin, Jared McCann, Leo Carlson, and Elias Pettersson. Third pack, now on the right side. Trying to save the bottom left for last because that's usually where the Future Watch auto is in the box. See something shiny. Alex Ovechkin, Kevin Korchinski, JT Miller, Future Watch, Pagantree White, Nick Suzuki. Fourth pack. Connor Bedard, Jeremy Swayman, Nikita Kucherov. Ooh, green maximum performance Connor McDavid. That'd be a good one. Nico Hischier and David Pastrnak. Also got King Chuck there. Let's see. It's got nice corners.